We're going to be going through separation of soluble solids. Before, we have already gone through the separation of solids that are insoluble, that stay as a suspension, or they settle down, something like that, right? That was
Yes.
taken care with the filtration. But separation of soluble solids, obviously, it means that something has already dissolved. So you cannot separate that by filtration, filter paper. You're not going to find any residue on it, है ना?
जी.
Right? So the processes that we are going to be using for this is two processes that we can use. First one is evaporation, separating soluble solids, which means that you're going to be acquiring you're going to be acquiring solid which is soluble from solution. Number one is evaporation, and number two is crystallization. Okay,
जी.
so we are still trying to obtain the solid from we are still trying to obtain solids from either their suspensions or their solutions. All right, in evaporation, what is done?
Liquid turned into vapors.
Hmm. Examples could be example of such soluble solids, or the solution could be seawater. Seawater out of which salt is acquired by evaporation. All right. So how does this work? A sample of seawater is placed on an evaporating dish. Evaporating dish looks like this, kind of a china dish, right? Dish is placed on a gauze and a burner. What is next? It is heated until solvent, which is water, evaporates, leaving behind a white powder. Or clumps. That is salt, sea salt, right?
Yes. सर एक
Uh,
मिनट सर.
yes. How is this achieved? And this burner is placed right underneath.
सर ये पाउडर के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Powder, white powder or slash clumps. Clumping clumps are made. This is the burner, it goes, everything. The water keeps evaporating, leaving a white solid. Salt.